Hi guys, I'm Harsh Parekh. I'm a BCom graduate from NM College. I'm a fresher and I graduated in March 2023. I've scored 98.1 percentile in CAT 2023 with my sectionals being 96 in VARC, 96 in DILR and 94 in Quants. As for my preparation strategy, since this was my second attempt at CAT, I've mainly focused on completing the entire portion and I took around 1 to 2 mocks every week. But as the CAT came closer, I increased my mock frequency to around 3 to 4 mocks per week. The IMS video solutions really helped me with my mock analysis. And one of my weak areas was VARC, and the My Plan session with Vijita ma'am really helped me with that. Apart from that, the Club 100 sessions from Scrabbler sir really showed me that there's always room for improvement. So I believe that the IMS test series was a crucial part for my CAT prep. And as for the suggestions for the future CAT aspirants, I believe that there's only 2 things that they need to do, and that's taking mocks and analyzing them. Thank you.